We at Schaeffler, we are in a transformation phase. We create and transform and develop mobility for tomorrow. The automotive industry, which is one of our key divisions, or even the biggest division, is in a tremendous change. Basically, you could say the automotive industry is, since its start, in a complete reinvention phase. And now the question is, why is this? And how do the different trends impact our manufacturing system at Schaeffler? So while in the last maybe 2 decades, the leadership of the world tried to establish a global market, currently, unfortunately, the world is getting and the markets are getting apart.